Hold me tight, hold me close. Oh yeah. Through the nights we were the most, but now the bond it breaks, it sways, shattered.
In every heartbeat I hear your name, a melody that time can erase. Through storms and silence, you're my steady flame. I'd rewrite the world just to see your face. This is everlasting love, a sky without an end. Every second, every breath, I choose you again. In your arms, the universe feels right. I love you, be stranded at this deadlock, engine screaming my name. Fist wide on the wheel, rage fuels the flame. Pedal to the metal, but the road's eating my soul. Mirrors cracked with a voice saying you'll never be whole. The critics in the backseat spitting venom, no remorse.
What if I told you that in just minutes you could create full songs, clone your favorite voices, and even generate stunning AI covers, all without a studio or expensive gear? Today, I'm going to show you how Singify AI is changing the way music is made. If you've ever dreamed of making hip-hop tracks, rock anthems, or even your own AI cover songs in just a few clicks, this video is for you. Today, we're exploring Singify by Findshare, an AI-powered music tool that transforms simple lyrics or melodies into full studio-quality songs. Whether you're a music lover, content creator, or just curious about AI, this is your chance to turn text into polished musical masterpieces. You'll find the link to Singify in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. First, click the link and create your free account. Singify is a next-generation AI music tool that removes the hard parts of music production, letting anyone turn simple ideas or melodies into full songs with ease. It's built on the belief that music is a universal language, and with AI, Singify makes creativity accessible to everyone. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of features like AI songs, background music, and cover songs. The platform offers 3 music generation modes to help you create high-quality, royalty-free tracks. You can generate unique background music with one click, extend your music, or even turn text, video, or images into songs, giving you endless creative possibilities in different genres and styles. With Singify, you can explore a dynamic library of AI singers to create original songs or covers. From popular styles to unique voices, you can bring any genre to life, whether it's ballads, anthems, or even futuristic sounds. Singify covers a wide range of genres, including pop, rock, electronic, hip-hop, and folk, so you can create music that fits any style or mood. But Singify is more than just an AI song generator. It allows you to create full tracks in minutes without needing any extra tools. Some of its powerful features include a vocal remover, stem splitter, key and BPM finder, AI lyrics generator, AI cover generator, voice cloning, music extender, and even an Acapella Extractor. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean, easy-to-use dashboard packed with creative options. On the homepage, you'll see trending AI-generated songs, background tracks, and covers. You can browse hot songs by month, explore new releases, or dive into top styles, playlists, and creators across genres like pop, EDM, hip-hop, and rock. Next, you'll find the AI Singers section, where you can discover trending AI singers, commercial-ready voices, and even popular character voices. Then, under the AI Create section, you'll unlock a wide range of tools, including the AI Song Generator, Cover Generator, Stem Splitter, Voice Cloning, and more. And the best part, every track you make with Singify is 100% safe for commercial use, so you never have to worry about copyright issues. Let's start with the AI Song Generator. All you need to do is enter your lyrics, theme, or mood, and Singify will create a complete song with vocals and music in just minutes. Inside this feature, you'll find 3 main tools: Prompt to Song, Lyrics to Song, and the Instrumental tool. First, let's try Prompt to Song. Simply type in your idea or prompt, click Generate, and within seconds your track is ready. Once it's done, you can edit the lyrics, add or remove lines, or even customize the words. On the right panel, you can choose a music model. I'll go with Volume 1 for now. You can also select a music style like soul, acoustic, pop, romantic, hip-hop, or rock. If you have reference audio, you can paste a link or upload a file and give your track a title. When you're ready, hit Generate again and your song is good to go. Let's give it a listen.
evening paints the walls with shadows I can't ignore. A silent room, your laughter's gone, it's just the breeze at the door. I trace the lines of memories where your hand once held mine, but the clock keeps counting seconds. Oh, I hear your voice in every song, and nighttime homes see your face. I find your scent on sheets we shared, now cold against my. The evening paints the walls with shadows I can't ignore. A silent room, your laughter's gone, it's just the breeze at the door. See your face in every star, still dancing in the dark. Time's a thief, it's story.
Sounds amazing, right? Now let's try a new prompt with a different music style. The process is just as simple. You can even add a custom AI singer, either one from the Singify library or one you've created yourself. Later, we'll create our own. Click Generate and Singify gives you a brand new track. Super easy and fun to use.
Like fireflies in the air, our moments pause and suddenly we're there. Oh, the world is witnesses, whispers dance like fireflies in the world dissolves in cosmic dance. A spark, a flame, a timeless bliss, forever sealed in a magical kiss. Your heartbeat hums a melody so sweet.
Now let's move to the lyrics to song feature. This one is perfect if you already have lyrics and just need music. Paste your lyrics into the box, choose a music model. This time I'll select Volume 2 for more polished, professional vocals. Then pick your music style, add a title. I'll call this one Why Did You Leave Me on the Beach and click Generate. And just like that, your lyrics become a fully produced AI song.
The waves still whisper your name, footprints fading in the sand. You promised you never change, but the tide washed away your hand. Why did you leave me on the beach when you swore you'd never stray? You said I am with you always, but the ocean carried you away. The sun sinks low in the sky, memories crash like the sea. The waves still whisper your name, footprints fading in the sand. You promised you'd never change, but the tide washed away your hand. Why did you leave me on the beach when you swore you'd never stray? You said I am shells of yesterday. I'm still standing where you walked, praying the tide brings you my way. Why did you leave me on the beach with your promise in the air? You said I am with you always, but I turned.
In the same way, you can create instrumental tracks using the same tools. Next, let's check out the AI Cover Generator. With this tool, you can make high-quality covers using cloned AI voices. Just click on the cover generator, pick a singer with the Switch Singer button, then paste the YouTube link or upload the audio of the song you want to cover. And that's it, Singify instantly creates your AI-powered cover track. Singify will generate your cover song using the selected voice in just a few clicks. You'll even get a side-by-side comparison of the original and the AI-generated version, which is really impressive. Next, let's look at the AI Stem Splitter. This powerful tool lets you isolate different parts of a song like drums, guitar, piano, vocals, or bass. All you need to do is click on Stem Splitter, paste a YouTube link or upload an audio file and select the instrument you want to separate. Within seconds, Singify splits the audio for you. It's perfect for remixing or practicing with just the instrumental. And now one of the most exciting features, AI voice cloning. Imagine creating songs with the voice of your favorite artist. With Singify you can. Just go to voice cloning, click create a singer and paste a YouTube video link of the artist you want. For example, let's try using a Charlie Puth video. Once it processes, you'll see a collection of songs to choose from ready to turn into your custom AI singer. Once you've selected your favorite track, you can upload an image for your singer, give it a name and click train. Singify will then train the model based on your input, and from there you can start generating new songs with that voice. The results are honestly mind-blowing, smooth, realistic, and all done in just a few clicks. Finally, Singify offers a huge collection of extra AI tools, all available online. These include image-to-music AI Acapella Extractor, AI Reverb Remover, AI Vocal Remover, AI Music Extender, AI Lyrics Generator, Key and BPM Finder, plus a wide range of AI generators for song names, playlists, beats, albums, YouTube channel names, album covers, and even transcription. It also supports audio to MIDI conversion, music downloading, and an impressive variety of AI music styles. From pop, EDM, hip-hop, rock, and metal, to classical, jazz, R&B, Latin, folk, blues, country, funk, K-pop, budgeons, orchestral, and more. Now let's quickly try one of these features, image to music. Here you can choose either image to music or video to music. For this tutorial, I'll go with image to music. Simply upload an image, set the duration, add a prompt if you like, or leave it blank, and then click generate. Within seconds, Singify transforms your image into a unique music track. Singify AI isn't just another music tool, it's a complete creative platform. From generating original songs and covers to cloning voices, splitting stems, and even turning images into music, it opens up endless possibilities for musicians, creators, and hobbyists alike. By removing the technical barriers, Singify makes music creation fast, fun, and accessible to everyone. Check out the link in the description to try Singify for yourself. Just visit the official website at Singify, findshare.com and create your free account. Once registered, you can explore all the features right away. If you want access to premium tools, you can easily upgrade at very affordable rates. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tutorials on amazing AI tools. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.